So previously I introduced the idea of RNA polymerase, which copies DNA into RNA. However, during replication, we have a different type of polymerase, a DNA polymerase. So what polymerase actually means is basically an ability to copy DNA into either DNA or RNA. So it's DNA copier, right? Polymerase means copier. Now, as you recall, and as I've said many, many times, you can only add new nucleotides onto the 3' OH. And so this creates a difficulty as the replication fork moves forward. The one strand you can just read, you can read the parental strand from 3' to 5' and create the new strand from 5' to 3'. This is called the leading strand. It can just copy it as the replication fork proceeds. However, the lagging strand, the other copy of your DNA, you can't just proceed linearly. And so what you end up with is a series of discontinuously made fragments. So whereas the leading strand is made just in one continuous fashion, the lagging strand is made in a series of small fragments over and over and over again. You can only add nucleotides onto the 3' OH. Now, this creates another tricky situation because you cannot initiate a new strand on your own. The polymerase can only elongate. So in order to create these new continuously made lagging strands, the question is, how are these new strands made?